Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can compress scanned PDF file size. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for I love PDF compress and open the first website, and here you can have an option select PDF file. So I'm going to select from my desktop, select that. Once it is selected, here you can see three options: extreme, recommended and less compression. So recommended is the good one. Click on compress, and it took few seconds, and then you need to click here and start download. So it took few seconds to download, and here is the file, and here you can see the file size, that is 246 KB, and previously it was, let me show you, it is around 3 MB. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.